Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to sign up for Hulu with Disney Plus bundle. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the browser, then search for hulu.com, just like so. Then you just have to wait till it load. And once you are in this page, you just have to click on login on the top right side. And once you click on login, it will ask you to enter your email address in addition to password, of course. So you just have to enter the email address, then enter the password, and you're all done. This is how we can actually do it. Now you will have to choose the plan that you are going to select, which plan that you are going to select. It depends on what is actually suitable to you. So you just have to select the plan that you like. You'll have several plans. After choosing the plan, you will be able to use the Hulu Plus. You just have to enter your payment credentials, your credit card information in order to pay for the plan. And after that, you're all set. You can watch any movie or any show on Hulu and Disney Plus. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new tutorial video.